Hello everyone, I am Samhita of grade 5A and I am here to talk about Paper Bag Day. We celebrate Paper Bag Day every year on July 12th. This day reminds us how important it is to say no to plastic bags and start using eco-friendly paper bag. Do you know why plastic bags are harmful? They pollute our earth, block drains, harm animals and take hundreds of years to break down. That's very bad for our environment. On the other hand, paper bags are made from trees and they can be recycled and used again. They do not harm animals or pollute the soil. Most importantly, they are biodegradable, which means they can break down easily and do not stay in nature forever like plastic does. We can also use paper bag while shopping, packing lunch, or even for crafts. We can also make paper bags at home and decorate them beautifully. Let us all take a small step for a big change. Let us use paper bag and help keep our earth clean and green. Thank you and happy Paper Bag Day.